All right, what's up, guys? I'm Chase Krolicki. You're watching the Come Up, and this is my GT Odyssey build.
Hey, I got a bad bitch. She more than cute. And bitch, I'm ballin', I'm talking.
Up here, I'm running the Odyssey Brock Rayford grips on the Lumberjack XL bars. I got the Odyssey TL48 stem. Fuck, I don't know what this is called. The Odyssey conical headset.
Oh, the rules, yeah. Top bad, and I'm getting loose, yeah. No smoke up in the air, yeah.
We got R25 forks, and then the front wheel. Shit, dude, this is harder than I thought. I got the Odyssey Anti-Gram front wheel. It's a hazard light rim laced with the Anti-Gram hub with some G-Sport, the Gland zip tie-on guards, and Odyssey Pursuit P-Light tire.
Off in my styrofoam. See, you niggas couldn't reach me on the telephone. We the two-gun gang.
I got the Odyssey Monogram tripod seat on an Odyssey post, and then down here we got these GT cranks. I'm pretty sure they're prototype, but they're chromoly, 165mm length. They got a 24mm spindle, and then on those we got some Odyssey twisted PC pedals. I run the Odyssey 28-tooth LaGuardia sprocket and Odyssey Bluebird chain. And then my back wheel is just the clutch free coaster wheel. It's another hazard rim on the clutch coaster. I got a G-Sport drive side guard, and I run all 4 Odyssey graduate pegs. Oh, and I got another P-Light tire in the back. Lightest ones, because I'm a bitch and I can't bunny hop high. And that's everything except my frame, right? I got the GT Globetrotter frame. Brian Kaczynski's signature frame. I don't think it's out yet, but it's a 21 top tube, 75.5 degree head tube, 9.1 standover, 11.7 bottom bracket or something, and a 13.3 to 13.6 rear end. And that's pretty much it. That's my whole bike.
When she on the vodka, real conversate, wine and a lobster plate. I'm about to doctor on this track, it's time to operate. Operation dedication, time to meditate.
Want me to say something about the Come Up? Well, guys, thanks for checking out my bike. Shout out GT, shout out Odyssey, shout out Albies. Make sure you subscribe to the Come Up and follow me on Instagram at Chase Krolicki.